press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, welcome to the English class. So dear students, I started your 8th unit. Today I will continue that unit. So let's start now. Come to the page number 125. In this unit there are some language exercise mains which we have to complete now. Okay, so take your pencil and write with me the answers. In the page number 125, can you identify the following dance forms? Write them in the boxes. So in this main you can see that they given some dance form pictures. Dance form in pictures anna kottidare alva. So we have to find out the dance form, which dance form it is. We have to find it and we have to write the answer. Okay, you have to write with me. Okay, so the first picture you can see that girls are dancing with some sticks. In that picture you can see that. So that dance form is Kolata, isn't? So write with me. And the next, by seeing the pictures we can easily say that Bharatanatyam, the dance form is Bharatanatyam. The dance form is Bharatanatyam. And next, in the next picture you can say that is Dollu Kunita. Okay, write with me. And next picture is you can see that is Yakshagana, which is the dance form here, that is Yakshagana. Yakshagana, Dollu Kunita, Kolata, Bharatanatyam. Okay, so write down these answers. Now, do you know this? So see here, the next main headline is, do you know this? Write the names of the states. So next main, we have to write the state names. Okay, related to the classical dance forms. So a state ge yav classical form dance, yav classical dance form ide anta heli navu observe ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, pictures and the names of the capital cities have been given as clues. So try to understand the headlines meaning here. They given the capital name of the state, capital name, state into capital name anna kottidare. Okay, matte classical dance form indu picture anna kottidare. Okay, now adu eradu as a clue agi use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು answer anna state name ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay, answer ಅಲ್ಲಿ state name anna ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay, so clues ಏನು, capital name ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, state in capital name ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಯಾವ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮು ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಂದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ ಹೆಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಂದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, so capital city, let's see the clues now. Capital city Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, first clue is Thiruvananthapuram. State in the capital city Thiruvananthapuram anta. Okay, and classical form in yav classical form anta heli picture kuda kottidare. Okay, so states, so our dance form plus our capital city Thiruvananthapuram, it is the capital of Kerala. Okay, so answer is Kerala, first one. So the next, so a dance form ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಕಥಕಲಿ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಕೇರಳದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಂದು ಕೇರಳ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ತಿರುವನಂತಪುರಂ, ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮು ಕಥಕಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಟಿ ನೇಮು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಾವು. That is the capital of Hyderabad. Okay, ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವೈತಲ್ಲ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದು ಕುಚಿಪುಡಿ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕುಚಿಪುಡಿ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್. Okay, next one. Yes, capital name, capital city name Imphal. Okay, Imphal. And that dance form is Manipuri. ಯಾವುದಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಣಿಪುರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಣಿಪುರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಣಿಪುರ್. Next one, Chandigarh. The capital city name is Chandigarh. ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಚಂಡೀಗಢ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಭಾಂಗ್ರಾ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದು ಭಾಂಗ್ರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಂಜಾಬ್. ಸೊ ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಂಜಾಬ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಚಂಡೀಗಢ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎಸ್ ಭಾಂಗ್ರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಟಿ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನೈ. ಓಕೆ, ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಚೆನ್ನೈ. ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಟಿ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನೈ. ಓಕೆ, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮು ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯಂ. By seeing that picture we can say that is Bharatanatyam dance form. Okay, and the answer is Tamil Nadu. Yav state in the dance form? Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tamil Nadu, it is a state name. Okay, Tamil Nadu, it is a state name. That state dance form is Bharatanatyam and capital city is Chennai. Next, come to the next capital state name is Lucknow. Okay, so Lucknow, dance form is Kathak. By seeing that picture we can easily say that is Kathak. Okay, and the answer is Uttar Pradesh. The answer is Uttar Pradesh. So state Uttar Pradesh, dance form Kathak, and capital city is Lucknow. Okay, I think you understood how to find out the answer of this main and write down the answers also. Okay, shall I rub now? I think you have written this. Yes, come to the now next main. Pictures of the musical instruments are given in a column A. The names are given in column B, but some letters are missing. Fill in the blanks to get the name of the musical instruments. So see here in this picture there are two columns. In A column they given the pictures of some musical instruments in the photos ana A column alli kottidare. Next in the B column we have to write the musical instrument name. Okay, even they given the name also, but in between the some letters are missing. Madhya ಕೆಲವೊಂದು letters miss ಆಗಿದೆ. So we have to fill that missing letters to complete the word. Okay, so first one, the musical instrument is tabla. So okay, next one, violin. Okay, the musical instrument violin. So in this word I we have to fill, and L we have to fill, and N we have to fill. And next musical instrument is guitar. You can easily say that, isn't? So guitar, so in that we have to fill U and T and R. Okay, next musical instrument is harmonium. This is the next musical instrument here, harmonium. Okay, so harmonium, in this we have to fill these letters to complete the word. and the next musical instrument is flute. Okay, so in that we have to fill L and T. Okay, I think you have written these answers also. Next, come to the page number 128. See here, the next main is fill in the blanks with one word which you each choosing from the one given in the brackets and match the column A and B. One is done for you. So it is match the following. We have to match with their answer, but in the answer we have to fill some words. Okay, match the following idu ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ, ಬಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ in the column A that is question, in the column B that is answer. Okay, so the first one they given, Sumati plays on the violin. So Sumati plays on the violin, that means Sumati is violinist. Okay, they already matched that answer. Next one, you capture pictures in a camera. You capture pictures in a camera. You are a dash. So second one, fill that. You are a photographer. If you capture pictures means you are a photographer. Okay, photographer. Next, he dance means he is a dancer. Okay, next one, he is a dancer. Okay, next, we paint pictures. ಈಗ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸನ್ನು ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತೀವಿ? ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪೇಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪೇಂಟರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, Mohan plays on the guitar. That means Mohan is a guitarist. Okay, next one, Mohan is a guitarist. Next, next question, they carve out stones. Means ಅವರು ಸ್ಟೋನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೆತ್ತಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಮೂರ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಕಾಲ್, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕಲ್ಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, they are sculptors. Next, I sing songs. Next question is I sing songs. If I sing songs means I am singer. I think you come to know how to match the answers. Next one, I am singer. Okay, I am a singer. Okay, next, I think you come to know this main, and there are some sentences which you have to read. We given some sentences and some paragraphs which you have to read as students. So read that and come to the next main. In the page number 129, at the last you can see that there are some fill in the blanks. Okay, so that is a paragraph actually. Okay, what is that? That is a paragraph. Adu one paragraph, and in between there are some blanks. Okay, ಮಧ್ಯ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು 2 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೊಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ. Yes, so Keshav Murthy. Let's read the paragraph now, and in between I tell the answer. You also fill with me. Keshav Murthy is a well-known Bharatanatyam dancer. Keshav Murthy is well-known Bharatanatyam. Well-known means very famous Bharatanatyam dancer. Okay, dancer dash Karnataka. So in that dash, in that blank, we have to fill from. Okay, from Karnataka. He came to participate dash. So in the dash, answer is in. Okay, so he came to participate in the All India Dance Competition held dash, held at. Okay, the All India Dance Competition held at Jaipur. The competition was, on the page, the competition was dash. The competition was on, in the dash, on is the answer, on 31st July 2013. The dancers dash, in that blank, the dancers from different states came to perform there. All the participants gathered, blank is there, gathered at the backstage for dash. For is the answer. In that blank we have to fill for. In the backstage for their preparation. The competition started at, the answer is at 9 a.m. Every dancer performed well and Keshav Murthy got the first place. So we have filled that answer. Let's read the one time full complete paragraph. Okay, we also check down the answers. Keshav Murthy is a well-known Bharatanatyam dancer from Karnataka. Okay, he came to participate in the All India Dance Competition held at Jaipur. Okay, the competition was on 31st July 2013. Dancers from different states came to perform there. All the participants gathered at the backstage for their preparation. The competition started at 9 a.m. Every dancer performed well and Keshav Murthy got the first place. Okay, next I think you understood this main and you may be completed this main by filling the answer. Practice speech. So here the dialogue practice for you. Okay, so they given two sentences to do the dialogue practice. Only 2 sentences. Read the following dialogues. Okay, you have to do the dialogue practice. Okay, only 2 sentences there. Do with your friends. Okay, complete the following dialogues and practice them in pairs. Now next main, we have to complete the dialogues to practice you in your pairs. Okay, so A B ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 2 ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 2 ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, see here a dialogue, do you like dash, do you like to sing. Okay, first one A dialogue into do you like to sing. B dialogue, yes I do, yes I do. Okay, B dialogue, do you know dash is there. B dialogues alli do you know admele how to play guitar, how to play guitar. Next A dialogue, no I don't know. Okay, no I don't No. Okay, so fill that. ಈ ಡೈಲಾಗಿಂದ ಈ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬಿ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಮೇನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 131. I think you may have written this. Okay, complete the dialogues, find a partner to practice. Here like this only, another one main is there. Okay, we have to complete the dialogues. Okay, so same A, B characters are there. In the A character, in the dialogue, A character in dialogues ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Can you draw a picture? Okay, that is there in your textbook in page number 131. A dialogues, can you draw a picture of dash? Okay, in the dash anything we can write, just I am going to fill this. Can you draw a picture of an elephant? As an elephant, question mark at the end. And B dialogue, yes I can draw. In the B dialogue write down, yes I can draw. Next B dialogue same. Can you play on the dash? Can you play on the dash? Can you play on the harmonium? So B dialogues alle adu fill ಮಾಡಿ. Next no I cannot. Next A dialogue. Next A dialogue, no I cannot. No I can't, we can write. No I can't. So I think you may have written these answers on the textbook. And come to the page number 132. Yes, so see here, complete the birthday invitation. Next main is, it is a birthday invitation. Okay, given below and fill in the gaps with the appropriate prepositions given in the bracket. So in the next main, there is a birthday invitation. Okay, in this page you can see that there is a birthday invitation, and in between the invitation there are some letters missing. Okay, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಿಲ್ ದಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದ ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಡೂ ನಾವ್. ಹಾಯ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ in this main one boy or one student, one person like you, one child is inviting to the birthday, to his birthday. Okay, ಅವನ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇಗೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡಿಗೆ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಯ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಇನ್ವೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಇನ್ವೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಯು. ಯು ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಟು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ I am inviting you to my birthday party, which will be full of fun and frolic. The party is on. Fill that. On. Okay, on 24th May at next at 7 p.m. in my sweet home. Be there, don't miss out. Okay, dash only from, don't miss out from the fun. Okay, and at the last, from your dear friend. ಯಾರು ಈ ಲೆಟ್ರ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ನೇಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ನೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, write your name at the last. From your dear friend, at the last write your name. Just for the example, I am writing here Shabaz. Okay, just write down like that. your name you have to write. Okay, instead of this you can write your name. So let's read the invitation here. Hi friend. Okay, let's read. Hi friend. Friend anta fill madidira. Hi friend, I am inviting you to my birthday party, which will be full of fun and frolic. The party is on 24th May at 7 p.m. in my sweet home. Be there, don't miss out from the fun. So like this invitation, like this letter, you can write to your friend to invite any birthday party. Okay. Next, come to the next now. Complete the following letter by filling the gaps with the appropriate words given in the flower. So, here the next main, it is also like that. We have to fill the answers. Okay. So, in the flower they given some words to fill the blanks. We have to use that words. Our words and use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು blanks ಅನ್ನು fill ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. It is also a letter. See here, dear granny, grandma, okay, grandmother. Dear granny, I am doing well. How about you? Do you know yesterday was my birthday? So fill that my ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಡ್ಯಾಶಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ my birthday. Okay, my home, my dash ಇದೆ, my home was decorated with colorful dash, colorful balloons, okay, and colorful balloons. I wore a new dash, I wore a new dress, okay, new dress. Daddy brought me a big dash cake. Okay, for me, Mama served a delicious food to all of us. We played many games and enjoyed a lot. Take care. Next, lovingly yours dash. So in that dash you can write at the last grandson. Okay, so we have completed that letter. Okay, let's read once now. Okay, check the answers you also. I am doing well. How about you? Do you know yesterday was my birthday? Okay, yesterday was my birthday. My home was decorated with colorful balloons. I wore new dress. Daddy bought a big cake for me. Mama served a delicious food to all of us. We played many games and enjoyed a lot. Take care. At the last, write grandson. So by these students, we completed this unit. I think you may have completed all the main answers. These main answers maybe you have completed. Okay, so you must remember you have to write all the answers in your textbook. Okay, and at the last there is one rhyme which you have to read by yourself. Okay, thank you for the class. See you in the next period.